Here's how you can make a beautiful hair bow. You will need fabric rectangles in the following sizes: 10 by 5.5 inches, 7 by 5.5 inches, and 2 by 6 inches. You will also need thread and general sewing supplies, fabric glue or a glue gun, and hair clips of your choice. I like to use a barrette clip. Take your largest rectangle and fold it in half lengthways. Sew across the top edge using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Press the seam and turn the tube through to the right side. With the seam in the middle, put your 2 short sides together and sew. Press the seam and turn it to the inside. Now pinch the rectangle together to form a bow shape. Grab your string and wrap it around the center of the bow. Once your bow is staying in place, cut the thread and make a knot. Now take your medium-sized rectangle and fold it in half lengthways. Sew around the 3 raw edges, but leave a 1/2 inch gap at the top of the longest edge. Once sewn, cut the corners and turn the rectangle round to the right side through the hole you left. Poke out the corners using a turning tool or a chopstick. With the side that has the gap at the top, pinch the rectangle together like you did for the previous rectangle and hold it against your bow. Wrap your thread around the center to hold the 2 pieces in place. For the final rectangle, fold again lengthwise and sew along the long edge. Next, take a loop turner and turn out the tube. Press your tube and then apply a small dot of glue to attach it to the back of the bow. Then firmly wrap the tube around the center of the bow. When you get to the end, cut off the excess and glue down the tube. Now for the final step. Take your clip and glue it to the back of the bow.